Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send money using PayPal on PC. PayPal is a popular digital payment service that allows people to send and receive money online safely. Millions of individuals and businesses use PayPal for online shopping, freelancing, payments, and international money transfers. With PayPal, you can send money to friends, family, businesses using just their email address or phone number and without needing their bank account details. So first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. What you can do is type down paypal.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your PayPal, on the home page what you can do is make sure you've already logged into your account, and over here select to the send money. And this section is used to send money to the other PayPal users or the request payment from someone. So over here simply enter the recipient's details, name, username, email or phone number as well. And select to your friend over here. Over here simply enter the amount how much you want to send, and you can also select the currency and type down the amount. And you can also add a note or message for the recipient. For example, you can write a short note, and after that you can select to this next, and over here you need to select the payment method. Choose the debit or credit card number, PayPal balance, your card type as well, your expiration date, your security code number and your billing address. And after that select to this link card here, and after that you can confirm your payment. And after sending the money, PayPal will display a confirmation message showing that the payment was successful. The transaction will also appear in the activity section. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.